Hello guys, I crashed my DJI Mavic Mini. Yeah, indeed, I crashed it. Long story short, long story, it was a second, not more. But briefly, I had two batteries fully charged after the flying, and I don't like to store these batteries long time fully charged. And DJI wasn't able to make a charger, an official battery charger, which can discharge these batteries to storage capacity. So the only option you can do is if you are hovering with the drone for a certain amount of the time until the batteries get discharged to 50% or so. So I put the drone down, then I took off. I didn't touch the sticks. Then suddenly the drone decided to turn into kamikaze mode, and it flew right into the wall. Luckily, the motor protection system was working fine, so the motors cut off immediately. So the drone fell down from around 2.5 feet into the dust. I checked the drone, seemingly it was fine, no blades broken, no arms broken. There were 2 new scratches on the mainframe or the housing, or how it's called. So I decided to take off and to make a couple of test flights. It was absolutely fine. Then suddenly, I turned the camera towards me. Yes, the lens covering glass broke into million pieces. So I removed the remaining bits of this broken glass from the camera. Then I tested everything. Okay, everything was fine. There was no image quality problem. Nothing serious happened. It seems, apart from this broken glass, the drone survived the accident. I was told this could happen because of a compass calibration issue. So I have to be really careful when I'm booting up, how to boot up. I'm still investigating what to do to avoid any similar situations in the future. But after the first shock, I thought this is not a serious problem. Come on, this glass is the size of my thumbnail, not bigger or even smaller. So it shouldn't cost too much. So next morning, I decided to call a couple of official DJI services to buy the spare parts. DJI Mavic Mini. And you can't buy spare parts. So what to do? I have to pay for the inspection and the test. I mean the safety test, or integrity test, or I don't know how it's called. Anyway, you have to get your drone inspected, then they can give you a code. I told them, guys, I tested the drone. I flew 5 times since the crash. It's fine, it does everything I want. No problems, even the camera is okay, the gimbal is okay, no significant scratches. Literally nothing has happened, just this glass got broken. I went further, I called the next company, then I called the next company, and so on and so on. I could get a quote. No, a price, not a quote, just a price. So I still have to pay for the inspection, I still have to pay for the test, I still have to pay for the labor, and I have to pay for the spare part, altogether 80 quid. Last time when we crashed the XL Power 550, I spent around 70 pounds on all the spare parts, excluding the blades. I had blades here, so I didn't have to order them. I spent 70 pounds on main shaft, feathering shaft, side frame, rotor grips. I don't know how many parts altogether. 70 quid, and I replaced half of the helicopter. So if you think so, crashing a helicopter is sucks. Oh no, it's not a sucks. Crashing a drone, a DJI drone, that is a sucks indeed. So finally I went up on eBay. I found the spare part in China for 6 quid. The only problem, I have to wait for a month. Until then, I'm gonna fly with the drone with ND filters, and I don't care. This lens UV protection screen thingy. One more thing, by the way, as I saw that you can order Gorilla Glass for this little thingy to prevent similar situations like mine. So, thank you guys. This is it. See you next time.